Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how businesses and creators can create this in their DMs. So this helps customers when they visit DMs find a predefined conversation starters. So which makes it easier for a customer to start a conversation with you. Yes, you can do it on Facebook, Instagram, and web chat. For this video, we're going to see how we can do it for Instagram and Facebook. So for both, it's the same concept. Alright, you have to go to Facebook Messenger and you can click on this conversation starters and you'll be able to edit it. For now, we're going to check Instagram. So you can see we have the conversation starters here. We just need to click edit. And this part is where you add your text, which will be displayed on the screen, which is this. And this is where you select the flow that you want to trigger when your customer clicks on the button. So first, let's just find some flows that we can trigger. Alright. So you can see once you create an account, you will see pre-made templates. Let's find one. So let's say this is a promote community group. Alright. So this is where it asks for their email and then we send them the group link. We will add this one, which is promote community group. If you go to marketing, we have spin the view and we have Google review. We will select that. Go to Settings, Channels, Instagram, Conversation Starters, Access to Community. Alright, so it was Promote Community Group. Next, we will select Spin Wheel. For this, we will say as in Giveaway. Alright, enter Giveaway. I will spin the wheel. And that's part, we will say, give your review. And for this, we will select Google Review and save it. That's how you do it. Now, let's check on the phone how it looks. Now we have the screen here. Let's tap it and see. So now we have those buttons which we created. Now let's access to one of them. And here's how you can trigger any conversation, so it's easier for that. So let's just say, yes, I'm in. And obviously now you can start the requalification process. You can get their emails. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching.